Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of the Falcon that we were working on. As mentioned in the last episode, I was looking at detailing this car next. I've given the dash a quick clean. This car has had some punishment over the years, so I've managed to clean the door sills and the sides. There's a lot of dirt in the car, as you can see. All that needs to be cleaned up, but more importantly is the condition that the dash is in. As you can see, there's like blotches and patches of dryness, oxidization all across. So in this episode, I'm going to take this car over to my mate's workshop and we're going to have a look at all the options of how we can bring this dash back to life. So we're here at Micky K's workshop. As you would have seen in the previous footage, the dashboard is in desperate need of restoration. Now, there's a lot of protectants out there that restores these dashes, but it's good to know that there are protectants out there that are silicone based and non-silicone based. And we got to make the difference. The difference is pretty much, you get the silicone based one, you get a nice shiny finish, but in the long run, it's not really good for your dash because those silicone oils over time allows the dash to expand under heat, and then back in winter time, it goes back to normal size. Over the course of years and years, that's what causes dashes to crack. And what we don't want is for that to happen. So let's get right into it